Kaadoo presents Darto with Kolkata Knight Riders, an action-packed skill game based on cricket with a twist that helps you improve your motor skills. Let's see what's in the box. We have the instruction manual, the dartboard, darts, and magnetic coins. The objective of the game is to score maximum runs or give away minimum runs if you're playing as a batsman or a bowler, which is self-explanatory. These are the ovals, and the space between the dotted lines are the zones. Players decide if they want to be in the bowling team or the batting team. Do note, if the game is played between two people, the same player plays both as a batsman and the bowler. So you get to be a batsman at one turn and a bowler in the subsequent turn. But if the game is played between four players, here the players will be divided into teams. So each team will have two players where one plays as a batsman and the other a bowler. The bowling team always starts first by setting the field. The bowling team gets to place 3 coins within the boundary of the board and ensures that there is only 1 coin in an oval. Simultaneously, the batting team places 2 coins in any of the ovals. The coins in the batting team and the bowling team can be placed in the same oval but not in the same zone. The batting team starts by throwing darts. You get 6 turns, that's 1 over. If the dart sticks to any zone, the run scored is the value of the oval. If the dart sticks onto a zone with the coin of the batting team on it, then the run scored is double. The batting team loses a wicket if the dart sticks on the center of the pitch or if the dart sticks onto a zone with the coin of the fielding team. With every wicket lost, the batting team loses a run. So the first round you play as a batsman and you make note of all the runs you scored. Now, it's your turn to play as a bowler. Here too, the bowling team starts first by setting the field. The bowling team places 2 coins in any of the ovals and the batting team places 3 coins within the boundary of the board. Zone values are the same as above. Bowling team starts by throwing darts. You get 6 turns, that is 1 over. When the dart goes outside the play area, 1 run is given to the batting team and an extra turn is given. When the dart doesn't stick on the board, 1 run is given to the batting team and an extra turn is given. The bowling team gains a wicket if the dart sticks onto the center of the pitch. The bowling team also gains a wicket if the dart sticks on the coin of the bowling team. To determine the winner of the game, you subtract the runs given away by the bowler from the runs scored by the batsman. So the team or the player with the higher margin of runs wins.